Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin in Settings, Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode to unlock options. Once there, tap Set up Face ID and make sure the true depth camera area is clear, because dirt or a case edge will block sensors. Hold the XS Max upright, about 10-20 inches from your face, and keep your eyes open. This lets the system map unique facial geometry. Move on when the initial scan prompt appears, so the registration can capture shape and texture accurately. Now you'll perform the two-step enrollment. This is where accuracy matters. Follow the on-screen circular frame and slowly move your head in a smooth, intentional circle so the true depth camera captures multiple angles. Once the first scan completes, tap Continue for the second scan. This fills gaps and improves recognition reliability. Make sure lighting is even, avoid strong backlight, and keep consistent distance. If the phone asks to adjust tilt or move closer, do it. These refinements reduce false rejections later. After the second scan, tap Done, then immediately test Face ID by locking and unlocking the phone a few times, because real-world checks catch issues. Make sure features you want, iPhone Unlock, iTunes, and App Store, are enabled in the Face ID settings. If Face ID struggles, reset Face ID and redo enrollment, or install any pending iOS updates, because software often fixes sensor bugs. Also check the true depth camera area for obstructions, and restart the device if recognition remains inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.